Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Yesterday I got an update from Anthropic that we are rolling out new weekly rate limits for Claude Pro and Max in late August. So basically from August 28, and we estimate they will apply to less than 5% of subscribers based on current usage. And I yesterday got this mail that important updates to your Pro account usage limits. And if you see that they are telling that next month we are introducing new weekly limits for this Claude subscriber, and it is affecting less than 5% user based on current usage patterns. And starting August 28, we are introducing new weekly usage limits alongside our existing 5 hours limit. So those who are using this Claude, they know that after 5 hours their usage gets reset, right? Means if you spend the limit within 5 hours, then you have to wait, and after that 5 hours they resets the limit. This is the current scenario, but after this August 28 the scenario will be changed. This current scenario, this usage limit reset after every 5 hours, it will remain the same, there will be no change, but they will introduce new scenario which is overall weekly limit that reset every 7 days. Means suppose for the weekly limit they will set 80 hours. Okay, so if you spend that 80 hours after 5 days, then you have to wait again for 2 days to get the reset limit. I hope you got the point. And another new is that Claude Opus 4 weekly limit that reset every 7 days, because you know that Claude Opus is actually a heavy model, so that's why they will introduce new reset scenario for the Claude Opus 4 separately. And why they are doing this, if you see this, here you see why add weekly limits. A small percentage of users were running Claude Code in the background constantly or abusing account sharing practices. So suppose you are using that Claude Code and you are running that Claude Code in the background for 24 multiply 7 means continuously, and uh, that will actually affect the computing resources and causing outages and degrading reliability for everyone. Means if some portion of the subscribers are using these cloud models in a improper way, then these are actually affecting the computing resources, and that will actually affect the other users also. So that's why they are introducing this weekly limit, and this new system is designed to target these high usage cases and ensure a fairer experience for the vast majority of regular users. And let me tell you one thing, that if you are thinking that this weekly limit is actually will affect your usage, that is not the correct thing, because they will introduce this limit, or they will set this limit so that you are not getting any difference. Here you see that they have written these things that most users would not notice any difference. These weekly limits are designed to support typical daily use across your projects. Means they have the data that weekly or daily how much hours you spend in Claude Pro subscription, or you can say this Claude Max subscription. So most pro users can expect 40 to 80 hours of Sonnet 4 within their weekly limits, and I think this is enough. And this will vary based on factors such as code base size and user settings like auto accept mode. Users running multiple Claude Code instances in parallel will hit their limit sooner. So this actually a great thing that you have to keep in your mind, that you are not running Claude Code instances in parallel. Okay, and you can manage or cancel your subscription settings, that is all of you know. And another thing is that here you see they have also written in detail way, Claude Code specially as part of our subscription bundle has seen unprecedented growth. So you know that if you search over YouTube that Claude Code related content, then you will find many content, right? And yesterday I made a video on this Claude Code subagents, so let me show you that. Okay, here you see Claude Code subagents. And after this subagent introduction, Claude Code users base got increased in a huge amount. So that's why you see that at the same time we have identified policy violations like account sharing and reselling access. and advanced usage patterns like running Claude 24/7 in the background, and these are impacting system capacity for all. And our rate limit addresses these issues and provide a more equitable experiences for all users. From this August 28, these will be applicable. So I hope you got the idea. If you have any question in your mind, just let me know in the comment section. And if you have not watched these videos on this GLM 4.5 integration with Rook client Kilo, this model got published yesterday. This is another model which is beating this Kimi K2. So please watch this video also. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.